In this video, you are going to learn how to set up GA4 Begin Checkout event for Shopify store using Google Tag Manager.
Hi, this is Nasim from nasimreza.com and I am a top rated freelancer on Upwork. If you need my assist, don't forget to check this video description because I will give all the resource link on there. Let's back to this topic.
This is our demo Shopify web store and let's see what is checkout and why we need to track this event. Okay. For example, checkout event is important for our store because like maybe few visitor are checkout but by any chance they close this page, like they close from this page, okay, but they are interested to purchase the product from our store, right? So like maybe their card is not working or like etc etc. So that kind of audience are very important for store owner or e-commerce business owner. So that's mean if you want to make remarket campaign for them and if you want to push them to purchase a product from your e-store, that's very useful. So that's why checkout event is very important for e-commerce business owner. And today we are going to set up add to begin checkout event in this episode. Okay. So for your help, we are using Google Tag Manager to set up our Google Analytics for our Shopify website. Basically, Google Tag Manager is connected through this HTML code that we have already implemented under our website head tag. So, and then Google Analytics is connected to our e-store through this tag manager. I hope if you watch this video carefully from beginning, you can understand. And if you don't understand, visit my YouTube channel, which is Nasim Reza, and then go to playlist and you can watch the video which is Shopify tracking solution. So this playlist will be useful for you to set up conversion tracking for your Shopify store. Now let's go to set up the begin checkout event. Okay. First of all, I love to do the work live. So that's why go to preview mode and connect your website with Google Tag Manager. And you can see the website is now connected. And now we are going to purchase a product, but we won't purchase. We actually try to find the checkout event. So this is add to cart. This is view cart. And this is checkout. So hit the button which is checkout. And you can see we didn't order this product yet. We just in the checkout page. So this is actually the begin checkout. So let's back to Tag Assistant and you can see the begin checkout is here. And with this kind of product information. So this is actually the product, are 3 product in our begin checkout. But in this video, we are going to learn to track one product on the begin checkout. And because this is the beginner friendly, and I will make a video later how to track multiple product in begin checkout. Okay, if you need that video, just simply comment on this video. Let's hit the checkout again, and you can see begin checkout is here, and now here is only one product. Okay, now we can make the event easily. Let's go back to Google Tag Manager, and you already know if we want to send any specific event to our analytics, we need to make the tag. So that's why we are in the tag section, and I am hitting on the button which is new. So hit the new, select the tag template which is Google Analytics, and then select Google Analytics event. Okay, now we need to input the measurement ID. So you will get the measurement ID when you go on the admin, and then data collection, data stream, and then this one. Just copy it and paste it here. Sorry, I have pasted a couple of times. Yeah, now you can see it's green signal, that means it's accurate. And now we need to get the event name. Just copy it from here and paste it. And if I hit on the Google for searching GA4 standard event, then you will understand what will be the required parameter, because with this event we need to send the required parameter. Like for example, here you can see currency value, item ID, item name. So this actually 4 or to 5 requirement you can send. Let's see how to make that event. So event parameter, expand, and then add row which is 5. Just copy and paste from here. So it's a currency, sorry, it's currency, and second one value, and then third one items, then item ID, and last one is item name. So we are actually copy using only the star mark, yes, with star mark. And these 5 are most important. And how to pull the value? So for pulling value, always I use the variable data layer checker extension. You can see this data layer actually not working for this event, but it's pretty same that we already made based on our last couple of episodes. Hope you can understand. So we only pull that value. So you can see it's a price, and we already missed. First one will be currency, and item is items, and item ID, product ID, and item name, product name. So if you don't understand this part, you can please watch the previous episode. Hope you can understand. And now it's time to make the trigger. So always trigger I love to make from the custom event, so because it's actually the custom event. So just copy exact same name that we are getting in the preview mode. Just select here and hit the save, and this is save. This is the name of the trigger name. Okay, so now it's time to save, and you can see always I do prefer this specific format, because if you use this kind of specific format, then you can understand what the event it is. So if you forget to make any tag, you can easily understand and you can make on the next time. Okay, so our tag is ready. Now it's time to test. So let's go to preview. So you can see our website is opening. So when our website is open, go to view cart. You can see view cart is fired, and now it's time to hit the checkout. And let's back, and it's a begin checkout, and you can see our tag and the fire on this begin checkout section, which is pretty cool. And let's go back to analytics, and this is the report, and then check the real-time report. And now wait for a few seconds, and you can see on the event section our begin checkout event already came here with all the parameter. So that's mean it's working pretty fine. So if you don't understand any part, please do comment. I will try to respond that.
That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel because it will help me to continue working on this channel. My name is Nasim and I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a good day.